English Class 4 Unit Number 2 Caterpillar Solved Exercise Part B Analytical Reading. Select a little creature, example given honeybee or butterfly, that is useful to humans. Note some interesting facts about it and share with your classmates. So students, we select little creature like butterfly. Butterflies play an important role in pollinating flowers. They sit on flowers that have a strong scent and red or yellow colored and produce a large amount of nectar. Nectar is an important component of a butterfly's diet. It takes part in the pollination of plants. Several plant species depends on butterflies to transfer of their pollens. Pollen stick to the body of butterflies as it moves on to a new flower. It carries the pollens with it. In short, butterflies are particularly sensitive to the change of climate.